Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to connect any studio USB microphone to your mobile phone, whether it's an Android or an iPhone. The principle should be the same. Alright, let's get straight into it. Okay, so if you have a mobile phone such as this iPhone here, which has a new USB-C connector, or maybe an Android phone which also has a USB-C connector, then you should be able to connect any USB microphone such as this Elgato Wave 3 USB mic here to your mobile phone with a standard USB-C cable. Now just make sure that USB-C cable is not one that only allows you to power it, but also it allows a data transfer as well. Okay, so what we need to do is just simply connect up the USB-C connector to the back of the USB mic, and then we should be able to then connect it to the USB socket on our mobile phone, like so. And of course I just need to unlock it, and you'll see that on the iPhone particularly, let me just do it so you can see here, you're going to get a message that are you connecting the pair of headphones or another device to the mobile phone. So you just need to connect, press the button other device rather than headphones. I'm using the Rode Reporter free app here. You can immediately see that I have it saying Elgato Wave 3. So it's immediately recognizing that USB-C is connected, and I've also got the lights on the microphone. This is the Elgato Wave 3 connected to the iPhone 15 using a standard USB-C connector 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, that's how easy it is to connect any USB microphone to your iPhone or Android if it's got a USB-C connector. Nice and easy and nice and quick. Alright, hope that video is useful. Take care, and I shall see you soon on another video.